Is she serving face? So I have a craft plan for the kids for Thanksgiving. I have a Walmart grocery order to go pick up. Also have a turkey to brine. We're dry brining the turkey and my husband is smoking it. So listen, if you guys want to come over and have a plate, you're more than welcome. Hey!
Some gloves not pleasant. Ooh.
When you dry brine, you just cover it in salt. But it won't because
Yeah, it's huge.
they are.
You gotta hold it. Let me cut this more. Don't touch.
So now I am off to get my grocery pickup order and then I'm gonna go run to Costco and get a pie. You too, thank you. Happy Thanksgiving.